Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Gmail on Android phone so you can quickly snap your favorite people with just one tap. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Google Play Store app. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account, or the installation might not work properly. Step 2. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Gmail and then press the search button on your keyboard to begin searching. Step 3. Now, from the search results, look for the Gmail app developed by Google. Tap on it and then hit the Install button to start downloading the app. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the Gmail app. Make sure you log in using your correct Google account to access your emails. Step 5. After you're inside the app, if you want to send an email, look for the Compose button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Step 6. In the new message screen, type in the recipient's email address in the To field. Then, below that, enter your email subject so they know what the message is about. Step 7. Now, type the message you want to send in the body section. If you want to attach a file, tap the paperclip icon located at the top right of the screen. Step 8. From the menu that appears, select Files, then browse and choose the file you wish to send along with the message. Step 9. Once everything looks good, just tap the Send button at the top of the screen. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Gmail on Android phone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.